We've got bacteria growing in a liquid medium. We're told the number of cells that the mixture starts with, and we're told that the number of cells in that mixture doubles every 3 hours. And we're asked to find out what's going to happen after 15 hours to the number of cells. We're going to start with 300,000. So after 3 hours, this is multiplied by 2. So after 3 hours, we get 600,000. So after 15 hours, this process happens another 4 more times. The whole thing happens 5 times. And there they all are. So after 5 doublings, the answer is 9,600,000. Option D.